Down in the Jungle, 1, 2, 3, a rainforest counting book. The jungle is full of plants and animals. Let's see how many we can count. 1. One jaguar hunts. Jaguars hunt and live alone. 2. Two parrots eat nuts. They crack them open with their beaks. 3. Three sloths hang from trees. They spend most of their lives in trees. 4. Four green snakes coil around trees. They hold on with their tails. 5. Five marmoset sit on a log. They are the smallest monkeys in the world. 6. Six morpho butterflies fly by. They are one of the biggest kinds of butterfly. 7. Seven orchid plants grow. They grow in every color but black. 8. Eight large bats fly by. They are called flying foxes. They are the largest bats in the world. 9. Nine red-eyed tree frogs watch. Their red eyes scare larger animals away. 10. We picked 10 pineapples. What else can you count in the rainforest?